Today, we will discuss Resemble AI, 11 Labs, and Minimax Audio. Developers can incorporate their voice technology into other applications and workflows thanks to the API access that these platforms typically provide. This is essential for increasing their technology's usage. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Resemble AI, high fidelity voice cloning is highly valued, especially for professional uses. Focuses on offering resources for producing AI voices that are incredibly lifelike and adaptable. Provides on premise deployment solutions to meet the needs of companies with stringent data security regulations. 11 Labs is renowned for having AI voices that seem incredibly expressive and natural, emphasizes accessibility and user-friendly interfaces, which makes it well liked by content producers, excels at controlling emotions in created speech and multilingualism. Minimax Audio. Although Minimax focuses more on broad AI capabilities, their audio models are becoming more and more competitive. They work for a bigger AI firm that develops extremely sophisticated AI models. Pay attention to very large language models that can generate sounds. All in all, the capacity to produce AI sounds that closely resemble natural human voices is a crucial property that these systems have in common. All of them have this functionality, albeit the techniques and precision may differ.